In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 450 by 9 using the long division method. See that 4 is less than 9. That is why we will consider the number 45. From the multiplication table of 9, we know that 9 times 5 is 45. Subtract, we get a 0. As 0 is less than 9, that is why we need to bring down this number 0 here. Now see that this is the number 0. So remove 1 0. And from the multiplication table of 9, we know that 9 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 450 divided by 9 is equal to 50. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.